and free art. Today I'm going to be taking you along with me as I put together some mystery packs. Some of these will be available for sale in my Etsy shop, and some of them will be used as part of my 500 subscriber giveaway. So I'm going to be making about 10 big and 10 small mystery packs. One will contain over 50 bits and pieces, and the other will have about 20 or so. I plan to put in papers of all different kinds, vintage items, little bits like stickers, die cuts, postcards, you know, that kind of thing. So hopefully you'll enjoy watching me go through this, and I'll show you some of the pieces that will be going in. So first let's begin with some big papers.